Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Gucci eyeglasses model GG1075O in color code 006. The color of the frame is Burgundy. And these glasses are a cat eye shape. Its temples are also burgundy. And you'll find the GG Gucci emblem in gold. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. On its bottom right lens, you'll find the Gucci logo in gold engraved. On its inner right temple is the Gucci logo, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple is the model number, the color code, and dimensions of the frame. 54 is for its lens, 19 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Gucci hard case, although color and style may vary. And on the inside is the Gucci logo in gold, a Gucci dust bag, a white and black Gucci cleaning cloth, a Gucci authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Caring. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.